brand new series of Get Ready with Tanya. I have a beautiful sister-in-law here as my first guest on my new series, and I'm super excited to do an Indian makeover on her, and I'm sure you guys are gonna have so much of fun. Okay, so I'm gonna do two looks on her, formal and casual. The casual is gonna look like this, and the formal is gonna look like this. Alright, so we are all ready to do the makeup, and before we get started, let me just tell you a little bit. I'm gonna do her a day look at first, and then I'm gonna convert it into a night look. So basically, if you're going for a day party wearing a kurti or something, and then in the evening you gotta go to a fancy party wearing a sari, you don't have to take out all your makeup. You just have to add a little bit of the things to make it a night look, and it's gonna look so beautiful. So that is what I got. I'm gonna do it to her, and I'm super excited. So let's get started. Did you like her pictures? She looked so pretty. I couldn't stop looking at her. Literally, I'm just looking at her. She's looking so pretty in this Indian look. And now it's time to take it up here. I mean, for the evening, classy evening look. I mean, she's gonna be wearing saris, so get ready for that, and let's get started. this is our last look. I hope you guys enjoyed. She looks so pretty. My god, black suits her so well. The jewelry, the makeup, I mean, I just cannot. Anyways, I hope you like our video and stay tuned for more makeup videos with Tanya. Get ready with Tanya, basically. And stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like the hit button and the bell icon so you stay tuned. And I'll see you guys in our next vlog. So until then, bye bye.